Let's take a look at this multiple choice question from farhatlectures.com. Northgate Industries expect net income of $600,000, plans capital expenditure of $750,000. The company maintain a target capital structure 40% debt, 60% equity. So the ratio here is 40 to 60 or 4 to 6 or 2 to 3. Under a residual dividend policy, what amount may Northgate distribute as dividend? Okay, so their capital structure is 2/3. The debt to equity is 2/3. Okay, let's plan this. So we need to spend $750,000 on a new capital investment. Well, we need 60% to be financed via equity. What's 60% of 750? 60% of 750 is 450,000. Now, if this is what we need from equity, and we have income of 600,000, we need to keep 450. So what's left is 150 as dividend. The answer is B. You have to be very careful. You have to be very careful. So they might ask you, what is the debt finance through, what's the capital budgeting finance through debt? Well, what's financed through debt is 40%. So if you take 750 times 40%, so if you take 750 times 0.4, 300,000 is financed through debt. So to finance this $750,000 project, this capital expenditure, we are going to borrow 300 and use 450 from the retained earning. And as a result, guess what? Our ratio would remain 4/6 or 2/3, because if I take 300,000 divided by 450, you know how much it is? It is 2/3. It's 2/3. So 300 divided by 450. So, which is 2/3 or 0.666, 2/3, the same thing. So the point I'm trying to make here, the reason why they give you the capital structure, because they want to keep this capital structure the same. Now, a more complex problem would say, and they're planning to change their capital structure to 50-50, then you have to change the whole thing. Now, generally speaking, on the CPA, CMA exam, they don't give you those changes. Maybe on the CFA exam they do, but you know, we don't teach for the CFA exam. Anyhow, what should you do now? Go to Farhat Lectures, look at additional resources, cases, lectures, multiple choice, true, false exercises. AI, for example, AI can help explain any topic you would like to, explain the correct and incorrect answer, create a similar MCQ. The best investment you can make is invest in yourself, and God bless.
Want to see more CPA exam multiple choice questions solved step by step? At farhatlectures.com, you will get hundreds of video solved MCQs step by step, including previously released AI CPA questions, previously released AI CPA simulation, in-depth lectures and resources to prepare for the CPA exam, AI tools that's going to help you study smarter, not harder, CPA exam podcast lessons where you can learn on the go. And also you will get the personal guidance of support of Farhat and his team. If you are serious about passing the CPA exam, this is your next step. Visit the website farhatlectures.com, start your free trial, and I hope to see you on the website.